Yeah, man. It's happening again, man. This is a trade we just put in today, man. Today. This is just like about maybe 6 hours ago, man. It's happening seriously here because I'm trying to show you the power of what is possible. Yeah. This thing's fluctuating from 17 to 2000. And I think at the end of this, I'm getting this to 10,000. Within the week, I'm getting this to 10,000. If I'm not gonna over exaggerate, let me even say $5,000, man. But I tell you, I'm taking this to $10,000 within the week. You know, I know most of you that I gave signal, maybe your TP level is hit for TP1. You got TP2 going, right? Good. Because I know that most of you don't have the power to hold your trades. Okay. You see what we're making now? This is what we're making now, and this results coming from the power of patience and the ability to hold the market. You understand what I'm talking about? See? You know, this is the same account we always use every time. I think we got the lot size here. It's still the same, 100, as you can see. And that's me. It's live, man. It's not a fake thing. I don't want to say something that people will think is fake. You know, I always like to show this thing. I always like to show this thing that people can see it. Okay, it's real. It's the same account. If anybody can check it from all the videos I've been doing, it's the same account. It's real. Right? You know, convincing enough. And for me, showing this is that I don't like doing some fake things. Okay, I don't like doing things like, you know, maybe it's not possible, I cannot do things. You know, I'm just showing people, like, look at, there's nothing impossible if you know about it. When you know about something, it's going to be possible. You know, because I said in my last video, I said the only thing that's going to make you never to be able to generate any result in whatever you do is when you exercise fear. Fear is the only thing you will exercise that will never make you able to generate any result in anything. You know, and that same fear is the one that will make you be feeling like some things are not even possible. Let me show you something. Hey, see. I hope you see the lot size. You see the lot size right here. I don't know where I'm touching now. Here, it's 100 lot. Here, 100 lot. You see? Who is that human being that is not even professional or that doesn't trust himself that will now go put in 100 lot 2 times inside this thing? Nobody's going to do that. But I think it's only me who is doing that, man. Why? Because I know where this market is going and where it's going to end. Before this market ever made a move, I know where it's going. Before this market is going to end, I know where it's going to end up, man. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. That somebody who don't believe in this result is somebody exercising fear. And I'm saying that fear will never get you anywhere. Take a look at what somebody is making within maybe 6 hours now. I think it's 5 hours if I'm going to count the time. 5 hours, man. Anybody in any factory or any industry now is not making this in 5 hours, man. And this will go back to $2,000. And this, I will come out with $10,000 on these trades alone. These trades alone will give me $10,000. You see? I'm still calling the amount it will give me to show you that, man. I've been trading these things for a long time. If I put only one of this thing, I put only one of this lot, I know how much I'm going to get out with. Only one of it alone, if it's well managed, can give me like $4,000 in, let's say, 5 days. Yes, only one. Then here we're talking about 3. And this I'm going to hold for 3 days or 4 days for real. Depends on how the market goes, but $10,000 is sure. So this is your boy signing out, just showing you guys the power of what is possible. No need to exercise fear. Get your signal, pick your trades, and follow me the way I move. Signing off.